Hey folks, welcome to another Mauihowey video. Today we are at Mauihowey waterfall. We're going to go ahead and hit the trails and walk on down to it, maybe do some swimming there. So stick around. Hopefully we enjoy this one as much as the last couple. Alright, so we're coming up to these little bridges. This is what they call level 1. You can see the smaller falls right here. Alright, level 1, the waterfall. Pretty unique. But the real unique thing is, look at all the fish. It's some type of catfish all waiting for food. Feeding them. They have fish food at the beginning there. Alright, so I put the gimbal on because I was bouncing around quite a bit. Now I can actually walk up these and not bounce too much. Alright, now we're at level 2. Certainly is buggy out here though. Go at level 2, just the other side of the bridge. Part of the walk up to the next level. It's not supposed to be far, but the trail's not really good. So she found a vine, climbed up on it. She thinks she's Tarzan or Jane. Let's hope it don't break. Alright, nice and up close. People decided to go swimming over there. We will in a bit. Be up that. Goes. Don't look like a lot, but it is coming down. Pretty powerful. But man, is that refreshing after you just did this hike up here. Right underneath the falls, it's not deep, and then about 3 foot out, it drops off over your head. Alright. Level 4 we walked up, level 5 is just on top. We both went swimming here. Exhilarating, awesome, cold, beautiful. That's about as close as I'm going to be able to get. Woo, cold. So the final climb was for this. This is Level 5. Level 5, we made it all the way up. And it's deep water here. Pretty cool. Alright folks, so that'll wrap up this video today. Man, a big ass climb to get up to level 5. Waterfalls are beautiful. Went swimming, enjoyed it, everything else. If you ever get out to Hua Hin, this is definitely a recommended do. It's beautiful. Anyway, until the next video, please don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. And we'll see you next time.